Your skin may look fine on a surface, but dehydration often hides deeper than you think. And by the time you notice it, your skin has already been struggling for days. One of the earliest signs is a tight feeling, especially right after washing your face. That tightness is your skin losing water faster than it can hold it. Another sign? Your skin starts to look dull, like it has lost its natural glow, because dry skin reflects less light, making your face appear tired and flat. But here's what most people miss. Dryness doesn't always mean lack of oil. Your skin can be oily and still be severely dehydrated underneath. Another warning sign is flaking, tiny pieces of skin that start to peel away. This happens when your skin barrier becomes too weak to hold itself together. You might also notice redness or irritation that wasn't there before. Dry skin becomes more sensitive, reacting to things that never bothered you. And then comes the fine lines, appearing faster than they should, not because of aging, but because your skin is lacking moisture. Now here's the shift. Fixing dry skin is not about adding more products. It's about restoring your skin's ability to hold water. Start by using gentle cleansers that don't strip your natural barrier, then lock in moisture immediately while your skin is still slightly damp. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid and natural oils. And don't forget, hydration starts from within your body, because even the best skincare can't replace internal hydration. Fix the cause, and your skin can recover faster than you expect, because your skin is not damaged. It's just asking for balance.